Hey, it's money talk, baby.
Jack Lehner asks, how do I start flipping things on eBay? The first thing you want to do is find something to sell. When you're first starting, it's best to start with things that you find from around the house. This looks pretty cool. Now you're going to want to open up an account on eBay. Should take you 5 or 10 minutes max. Next, you're going to want to look up this item on eBay. It looks to be a silver-coated deer antler bowl. Sometimes you can't find the exact same thing, but this looks kind of similar, so let's use this as a starting point. Next, you take a couple of pictures. 2 or 3 should do. Then you simply follow the directions on the app and you put all the things they're asking for, description and whatever price you want, and then post it and you're good to go. First item listed.
So I'm about to teach you guys how to turn $25 in cash into a successful side business, earning you $500 or more a month in profit. So you take your $25, you want to go to the bank. You go to the bank and you ask them for a $25 box of pennies. Make sure it has the seal on it and you don't open it. Take some beautiful pictures of your box of pennies. List your box of pennies on eBay anywhere from $55 to $59 for your $25 box. As you can see, these pennies are selling every day from $59 to $75 a box, which is crazy because it only costs you $25 at the bank. Once they've sold on eBay, get an eBay shipping label for about $7.70 on a medium padded flat rate envelope from USPS. Once you've got it packaged and ready to go, bring it to your local USPS office and ship it out. You should earn yourself about $20 in profit from the sale after taking into account eBay and PayPal.
You can flip keyboards, especially gaming keyboards you find at the thrift store, on eBay for good money. I found this gaming keyboard for $4 and it only took me a week to sell it, and I sold it for $30 plus shipping.
When you're out thrifting looking for vintage to flip, look for Dansk products. Most of it's going to be teak. This is a newer version of the vintage stuff, but it still sells very well. Pay attention. This is a good brand. You want to buy this.
At DrFlip says, if you're shipping books, don't use newspaper as filler. Ink can bleed onto your books.
When you're at the thrift store, look out for vaulted Funko Pops. Vaulted means they're no longer produced. This Friends Phoebe Buffet is only $5.99 and is worth a lot of money. I should be able to sell it for $70 to $80 plus shipping.
Hi there, and welcome to what I did buy at Salvation Army to resell online, the hard goods edition. Tan tags were 50% off, so let's see if we can't find anything. I don't have too much knowledge on the hard goods section, but I heard money is definitely there. So this is interesting and definitely gives me the Cinderella vibes. Maybe it's Disney, hopefully since it's $9.99. Ooh, vintage 1988 Disney magic. Let's see if there's any sold comps. Yep, I think this would be a great flip. Moving right along and passing up these precious moments. Not much profit on these, but oh my, what's this for $3.99? Facial peel? Seems to be brand new and very interesting bottle. I have a good feeling about this one. Holy guacamole, I definitely can be competitive on pricing. Going through the last aisle, hoping we can find another great piece. These look interesting, and from what I could tell, all 13 of these are there and in good shape. $19.99 is a big gamble. What does eBay say? Looks decent, time to check out. So, 1 hour in the family store, I spent $33.97, but potentially can make $450.
First find of the day, vintage Funko, $5, should go for $30 plus shipping. Cool Imaginext toy, $2. It's an Apatosaurus with all its gear. Should get me $15 plus shipping. Found another Disney Store plush right there, $1.50. I'll take it. Should be about $10 plus shipping. Brand new thermostat, $6. Should go for $45 plus shipping. Another Imaginext toy. This is a T-Rex. They want $5. Should go for $20 plus shipping. Heartland Studio Mount Vernon bread warmer with the tag, $1. Should go for about $8 to $10 plus shipping. Getting these Darren Jigi art prints, $2 a piece. They are signed and everything. Should give me about $25 to $30 plus shipping for the pair. This set of 4 Disney Big Hero 6 lithographs are only $1, and it should go for $10 to $15 plus shipping. Pretty good day.
Here's some places to get your flips from: the thrift store, retail, online, garage, estate sales, Facebook Marketplace. If you have any others, please leave your comments below.
Alright guys, you want to make some more easy money? I'm going to show you exactly how. Costco has a bunch of these Pendleton blankets right here. This is the big one. They have some smaller ones for $25. And let me show you how much they're selling for right now on eBay. So the one I just showed sold for $70 and $40 shipping. Let me tell you, it will not cost $40 to ship this. So even if your customer pays it, you'll probably pay $20, $25, so you'll be able to pocket that extra money, and that will obviously make up for the fees. You see up at the top, $56 plus $35 shipping. Again, it won't cost that much to ship. So we're talking easily $40, $50 after everything's said and done that you can make on these. I went to my local Costco, they had a bunch. I just grabbed one just to make this for you guys. Great way to make some extra money if you go to a Costco or you have a membership there. Share this if it's something that helped you, and follow me if you'd like more tips like this.
You want to see how to make money searching Craigslist vintage ads? Come on, come with me. You come to Craigslist, pull up your city. In the search bar, keep it basic, just the word vintage. You click enter and start scrolling. Bam, what do you know? Right away, $10. You click on it, red vintage Eddie Bauer vest, puffer. Scroll through. It's got the tags. It's real. It also has the model numbers. It's a very nice vest. It will sell. Then you come to eBay. In the search bar, type vintage Eddie Bauer vest. Desktop version, come to advanced. Click on sold and hit enter. Look at this. These vests are selling every single day. What do you know? There's the vest, $39.95, sold, extra large. And that's how you make 30 quick bucks on Craigslist through eBay. Buy it and do it now. Make some money.
At DrFlip says, if you're shipping a book, that goes in medium mail. Anything under 1 pound, first class mail. Everything else, priority or flat rate mail. And here's an extra bonus. Add shipping cost to item price. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description.
I sold this beautiful horse glass sculpture, not a chip, not a scratch, in perfect condition. Paid $6 for it. It was just sitting on a thrift store shelf. It took about 8 months to sell, and I purposely listed it high because it's very rare, one of a kind item, and I would just sit back and be patient. I paid $6 for it. And something I've learned as a reseller is, as I'm packing this up, is you're not in the products, moving products game. You're in the customer service, customer experience game. So we need to make sure that this gets to the buyer very, very safely, and they have a pleasant experience when they're unboxing this. One box will definitely not do it. You're going to double box this. We're going to overstuff it. We're going to over package this to make sure that this gets to the buyer very safely. But more importantly, when they open this, they have a pleasant experience. Got to weigh it out. This is kind of how I weigh it. It's about 5 pounds in horse. Got to throw a sticker on there. Boom. Sold it for $126. Great profit.
Y'all trying to make that cash money? I'm here to help, and today I'm hitting you guys with a new segment. eBay flips so easy, anyone can do it. Part 1. First off, thanks for the support, guys, and thanks for everyone who supports my segment, eBay Flips. Now, I've had some people DM me and say, look, you have the tools and the platform necessary to do it. I don't even know where to start. So I'm going to give you guys a new segment on stuff that you can do that's available to everybody. So here's a picture of one of my most recent sales. A lot of 12 300-piece puzzles for $40 plus shipping. Here are the 12 puzzles, guys, and I actually got all these from the dollar store for $1 a piece, obviously. And I'll throw in a couple of Bob Ross puzzles for good faith with the customer. Sold that lot for $40.50 and charged $3.99 shipping. That comes out to around $45. Take off $12 for the puzzles that I bought and take off $8 for what it's going to take to ship them. That's $25 profit. And guys, that may not seem like a lot, but when you do this on a consistent basis,